Hey everyone, Luke from Calorie Building. We're back for a quick site update at Claremont Ave. So this morning is a busy morning. We've got our footings that we're going to pour this morning for the new living area and the strip footings for the shade structure. Let's just go back a little bit here and we'll show you some of the demo update and then we'll get stuck into the concrete. So what we got on the side here, guys, we've actually had to build a rubble ramp to be able to get access out here between the corner of the house and the pool fence. This is our only option to get into the backyard. The driveway on the other side is full paved, big retaining walls to get up. So to be able to get machines out the back to dig the footings and get rid of any of the excess waste. Also, we need to be able to get a spider crane out with our glass panels for our rear windows, weighing around about 300 kilos. We needed a solution to be able to have a nice transition to get materials out the back. We've made really good progress inside here. As you see, all the ceilings have been dropped. Most of these walls are opened up, ready to start the relocation down here as well. We'll go up top and show you, but basically the entire second story has been demolished at the moment, about ready to pull the floor frame down. The floor frame is coming out as well, and a complete relocation. The layout upstairs is a little bit different, as well as relocating the staircase. So we'll go up there and we'll see how open it looks up there now too. So if you'd seen the introduction video, this is looking a little bit different the last time we were here. So basically, we're ready to pull the floor frame down now. The overall size up here is pretty similar. It's just this side here, we're going to chop in a little bit further into the roof to be able to fit the new wall structure. The stairwell, like I said, is being relocated over the other side. But overall, she's looking pretty good. Just fingers crossed we can keep a bit of dry weather for a little while.